Dear children, we have the first lesson of English grammar, that is the alphabet. In that you are going to study more about the vowels and consonants. So let's start the lesson. There are 26 letters in English alphabet. So when you read the letters A to Z, how many letters are there? How many? There are 26 letters. They are written in two different forms, capital and small. So when we write these English alphabets, we write them in two forms. One is the capital way of writing and another is the small letters. Here are the capital letters. These are also called uppercase letters. So now the capital letters are also called as uppercase letters. The capital letters are also called what? Uppercase letters. So let's see the capital letters A to Z. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z are the capital letters. Small letters. These are also called lowercase letters. So what are the small letters called? They are called lowercase letters. So let's see them. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. So these letters are written in small. So they are called as small letters. We have here to learn about vowels. Some letters are special. They are called vowels. So let us see which are the letters are called to be vowels. A, E, I, O, U. Once again, A, E, I, O, U. These are 5 letters. So, they are called as vowels. These 5 letters are called vowels. So, in English, we have these 5 letters which are called as vowels. Let's repeat it once again. A, E, I, O and U are called as vowels. Now let's see. Most words contain vowels. For example, this is a picture of an apple. So what is the spelling of apple? A-P-P-L-E. So here can you mark and say which are the vowels present? A is present and E is present. So in the word apple we have 5 letters. In that 2 letters are vowels. Next, this is a fish. What is the spelling of fish? F-I-S-H. So which letter is vowel here? I is an vowel. Picture of a boy and goat. Let's see the spellings. B-O-Y, boy. So which is a vowel here? O. And goat, G-O-A-T. So what is the vowel here? O and A. Vowels. Let's proceed and study the next part, that is consonants. The remaining 21 letters out of the total 26 letters of English alphabet are called consonants. Means in English we have 26 letters and 5 letters if they are vowels, then rest 21 letters are called as consonants. So let's see which are the consonants. B, C, D, F, G, H, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, V, W, X, Y, Z. Children, these are the 21 letters. In this, A, E, I, O, U are missing. So why they are missing? Because they are the vowels and only these letters are called as consonants. Understood about the vowels and consonants? Let's proceed for the exercise. We have fill in the blanks. There are dash letters in the English alphabet. So how many letters? Our answer is 26. The big letters are called dash letters. So the big letters are called capital or uppercase letters. The small letters are called dash letters. What we can say? The small letters as lowercase letters. There are dash vowels and dash consonants in the English alphabet. So we have 5 vowels and 21 consonants. The word bag has dash vowel and dash consonants. So we have here in the bag A is 1 vowel and B, G are 2 consonants. The word orange has dash vowels and dash consonants. So how many vowels are there? O, A, E. 3 vowels. Consonants R, N, G. Okay, there are 3 consonants. So I think you followed the filling the blanks. Once again I will repeat. There are 26 letters in the English alphabet. The big letters are called capital or uppercase letters. The small letters are called lowercase letters. There are 5 vowels and 21 consonants in the English alphabet. The word bag has 1 vowel and 2 consonants. The word orange has 3 vowels and 3 consonants. Look at the pictures carefully. Complete the words using the correct vowels. What is the first picture we have? Swan. So only S, W dash and they have given. What we need to write in the missing letter? We need to write a vowel. Though some vowels are missing. So which vowel is missing here? A is missing. The swan is, spelling of swan is S-W-A-N. Cat, C-A-T. Vowel A was missing. Pigeon, P-I-G-E-O-N. Which vowels were missing? E and O. Hen, H-E-N. E was missing. We have the first picture, crow. C-R-O-W, crow. O was missing. Donkey, D-O-N-K-E-Y. O and E are the vowels which were missing. F-O-X, fox. O was an vowel which was missing. Next, F-I-S-H, fish. Fish, I was the vowel which was missing. Let's write them. Hut, H-U-T. Top, T-O-P. Kite, K-I-T-E. Football, F-O-O-T-B-A-L-L. So the vowels which were missing? We have filled the missing letters in the picture. Just let's see them. Now let us see the words. Okay. D-R-U-M, drum. U was the vowel which was missing. Camel. A and E, that is camel spelling C-A-M-E-L. Candle. C-A-N-D-L-E. A and E are the vowels. Flower. F-L-O-W-E-R. O and E are the vowels. Blanket. B-L-A-N-K-E-T. A and E are the vowels which were missing. Toy. T-O-Y. O was missing. K-I-T-C-H-E-N. I and E were missing. B-R-I-N-J-A-L. I and E were missing. Count the number of vowels and consonants in each of these words. We have a picture monkey, M-O-N-K-E-Y. So we need to find how many vowels are there in the word and how many consonants are there. So we have found there are 2 vowels, that is O and E, and consonants are 4, M, N, K and Y. Next we have banana. So same way, how many vowels are there in the word banana? 3 vowels, A, A, A. Consonants 3, B and N. Book. Vowels 2. In the book we have 2 vowels, that is double O. Consonants 2, B and K. Elephant, picture. So vowels we have 3. So identify the vowels here. E, E and A. Consonants there are 5. Okay, L, P, H, N and T. So here we have completed the lesson number 1. So I hope you have understood the vowels and consonants. Thank you.